Your birthday? Today is your birthday.
I gave you many small clues, but you did not see me.
Today was Mom's birthday, but one small red circle was the only thing awake enough to remember.
Good morning. Today feels special to me. Do you feel that too?
Yes, it is a busy day. I have many things to finish before work.
Some busy days still need a little love, even if the work is very loud.
Maya, Mom is giving Dad a clue, but Dad is looking at his screen.
I need to take this call now. We can talk after breakfast, okay?
After breakfast, after work, after everything. My heart is always waiting after something.
I am not trying to hurt you. I just have a hard morning.
I am not asking for a big thing. I only want to feel remembered.
I remember many things for this family, but I missed what matters to you today.
Then maybe my birthday became too small inside your busy day.
Your birthday? Today is your birthday. I thought it was tomorrow.
No, it is today. I gave you many small clues, but you did not see me.
I am sorry, but I was working for us. I did not mean to forget you.
Dad, Mom did not need more work. She needed your eyes and your heart.
Thank you, sweetheart. A small hug can help when big words come too late.
Mom, please do not go with a sad face. We love you very much.
I know you love me. I just need to go to work and keep my heart quiet.
I was in the house, but I was not really here for her. I wanted to give this family a good life, but I forgot to give Mom a good morning.
This is not only a birthday problem. This is a listening problem. Clue 1 is the calendar. Mom put the red heart where everyone could see it. Clue 2 is the coffee. Mom stood right here and waited for Dad to look up.
Clue 3 was her sad eyes. That was the biggest clue, and I still missed it.
Then we need a birthday rescue mission, because Mom's smile is missing. A fast call is not enough, Dad. Mom needs to see that you really tried.
You are right. I will say sorry later, but first I must show love with my actions.
We need a cake, white flowers, Mom's favorite dinner, and honest words from Dad.
Team, stay close. Today, our mission is not shopping. Our mission is...
Mom, mission list is ready. Flour, eggs, candles, flowers, dinner food, and no forgetting.
No work now. I missed Mom once today, and I will not miss her again.
We move together, we check the list, and we do not buy random snacks.
This cake looks nice. Maybe buying one is faster, and Mom will still be happy.
A store cake is easy, Dad. Mom needs to see that you tried with your own hands. I want ice cream, but no! Gift first. Mom's birthday is more important than candy.
Good job, Jace. You stayed focused when the ice cream tried to trick you.
Wait, Dad. This is not cake flour. If we use this, the cake may become a strange pancake.
Thank you, Detective Maya. This mission already needs your sharp eyes.
This box has a broken egg. We need strong eggs for a strong birthday cake. Eggs are tiny glass balls with food inside. I will protect them like treasure.
Got it! The eggs are safe, and my heart just jumped out of my shirt.
From now on, the eggs sit in the safe corner. No more egg adventure. Oh no, the candle shelf is almost empty. A birthday cake needs a little light.
In a good family mission, even a tiny candle can feel like a hidden clue.
I found them. The candles were hiding, but Detective Jace has very good knees.
These red flowers look big and bright. Maybe big flowers can say big sorry.
Mom likes calm flowers. Big flowers are loud, but Mom likes soft and gentle things.
You know your mom very well. I should learn to notice small things like you do.
The sky is getting dark. We must hurry home before the rain joins the mission too.
I hope Mom is okay at work. I keep thinking about her quiet face.
I keep thinking about it too. I cannot change this morning, but I can do better tonight.
The eggs survived again. I think they are the bravest eggs in this whole house.
Wait, we forgot vanilla. Mom's favorite cake needs vanilla, or it will taste too plain.
Oh no. I made another mistake. Should I go back to the store right now?
Mom keeps a small vanilla bottle up there. She used it for pancakes last Sunday.
Good memory, Jace. You found the missing clue, and you saved the cake.
Clean hands, calm hearts, slow steps. That is how we keep the mission safe. I am pouring slowly. If I sneeze now, the birthday cake becomes a birthday cloud. No eggshell inside. That means our cake is already smarter than Dad this morning. Stop, Dad. That is salt. We want a sweet cake, not a sea cake.
Thank you again. Today I am learning that love needs help and labels.
It looks messy now, but we are still trying.
I think Mom will feel that. The cake is baking. Now we make the room feel like home is hugging Mom. That balloon escaped like it had a secret birthday mission of its own.
Hold it here, little brother. Birthday balloons need air, but they also need rules.
Is this straight? I want the room to look happy, not like the wall got dizzy.
A little higher on the left. Mom notices small things because Mom really sees things.
Little by little, the sad morning turned into a careful promise.
The cake is ready. Please move slowly, Dad. This is not a race.
Oh no, the cake is a little tilted. It looks like it is tired from the mission.
It is okay. Mom hugs me when I am messy, so we can love a messy cake.
You are right. I must not hide every mistake. I must learn from them.
The cream is too soft. If we rush, the cake will wear a white coat on the table. I am helping the cake cool down. Everyone in this house needs to calm down today.
Do not hide it, Dad. Mom does not need perfect cake. She needs honest love.
Then this cake will stand in the middle, just like the truth should stand in the middle.
This soup must be warm, soft, and gentle, because that is the dinner your mom loves. Oh no! I added too much salt.
The soup is saying sorry in the wrong language.
Add more milk and vegetables. Mom likes soft soup, not salty soup.
Now it tastes better. Thank you, Chef Maya. You saved dinner too.
The forks must stand like a little family. Nobody turns away from Mom tonight.
What a long day. I just want to go home and not feel invisible anymore.
Rain too? Today really wants to make my heart feel heavier.
I do not need a big cake. I only wanted my family to remember me.
She is riding home in the rain. We must welcome her with warmth before the surprise.
First towel, then warm coat, then surprise. Mom's body must feel safe first.
I am home. I am very tired, so please do not ask me many things right now.
We will not ask many things, Mom. First, please dry your hair and feel warm. We made the house warm for you because your ride home looked cold and lonely.
What is this? You remembered?
I remembered too late, and I hurt you. I am sorry for making you feel unseen.
This is beautiful, but my heart was still hurt this morning.
I know. This party does not erase my mistake. It shows I want to listen better.
I was angry because I felt alone, but I can see you all tried with love.
This cake is not perfect, but it feels honest, and that is the best gift tonight.
That night, Jace learned that love is not only a surprise. Love also means listening every day.